Let us once again understand integer operations with powers. Without calculating, state whether the following will be positive or negative. So we don't have to calculate the answer, but we have to figure out whether the answer is positive or negative. That is the whole idea, right? So the idea is to understand when you multiply a couple of negative numbers, do you get negative or a positive answer? So what is the key to it? Key is that if there are even number of negative signs multiplied or divided, then we should get positive answer. If there are odd numbers, then we should get negative answer. So we'll just count the number of negatives and see whether they are odd or even, right? If they are odd, in that case we expect negative answer. If they are even, we expect positive. So that is what we are going to do. Simple counting, okay? Now the first one, 1, 2, 3. 3 is an odd number, therefore we get negative answer, right? Because the count is odd. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is even. So we get a positive answer. Is that okay? We are not really calculating. Now this is kind of tricky. Square means minus 3 times minus 3. Let us understand. It really means we have, let me write here, minus 3 times minus 3. That is the meaning of the square. And then we have minus 5 square. Minus is not squared, but 5 is squared. Divide by minus 2. So how many negatives? 1, 2, 3, 4. Even number of negatives, we get positive answer. Correct? Now you understand. Cube means we should count this as 3, right? So 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 2, 6. So we get positive answer. Right? Let me rewrite. Minus 3 cube means minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3. That is minus 3 cube times minus 5 divided by minus 2 square. So that means minus 2 times minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is even number. So we get positive answer, right? So that is how you should do integer operations. Whenever you are multiplying or dividing, just count the number of negative signs. If they are even, write positive. If odd, then negative. That's it. Thank you.